The Bush Stone-Curlew is one of the most mysterious and fascinating birds in the wild. This bird has a slender body, long legs, and large eyes that reflect the moonlight, making it look like a creature from another world. However, it is adept at camouflage, remaining so motionless that it is difficult to distinguish from its surroundings. It relies on stealth and remaining completely still before pouncing on its prey with lightning speed. Despite its unique abilities, this bird faces major threats such as habitat loss and predation by foxes and wildcats. Some environmental groups are seeking to protect it through habitat restoration projects.